So once through the front door of flat 1, you come into a welcoming hallway. First thing that strikes you is the nice laminate floor that runs actually the whole way through all the accommodation, through into the bedrooms and into the living area, which gives a nice coordinated look. We've got nice freshly painted plastered walls, and you've got the telephone intercom system there, which takes you down and could allow you to let visitors in through the front door with a push of a button. Let's go into the living room first, living room kitchen, and look at this. We've got these triple sash windows which look out onto Irish Street. The harbour is just beyond the park there, for those of you who know Maryport. And this living area is open plan with the kitchen. Let's look at the kitchen to start with. Very, very comprehensively fitted out. A lovely contemporary kitchen, electric hob, electric oven, with a stainless steel 1.5 bowl sink and drainer. We actually have a tumble dryer, which comes with this rental, and a tall fridge freezer in that cabinet there. And we also have a washing machine, which is concealed behind one of the units. So all the equipment that you would need is in this kitchen. And if we pan round, we then see the living area, which is a good generous space, plenty of room for a sofa and chairs, TV table, and a decent space to relax in. You've got panels which control the heating in all the rooms in this apartment building. There are no gas, there's no gas into it, it's all done by electrical, but they're programmable and can be timed. So let's walk back into the hallway and we'll take a look at the larger of the 2 bedrooms, this one being a true double. And you can see here we've got the sash windows again, big high ceilings, nice freshly painted and plastered walls, control panel there for your heating. And if I go to the corner and pan round, you can see where you can put your bed. And there's lots of available floor space here because you have these wonderful walk-in wardrobes in the bedrooms, also with top boxes, so lots of places for you to store your items away and hang clothes, and they're illuminated as well, which is a really nice touch. The second of the 2 bedrooms I describe as a smaller double, potentially a big single. Cupboard space there in the corner. It's got a window to the side elevation there again. They're all in these nice sash style windows. And if I just come round and show you, that's where you can put your bed and your available floor space. And again, it's got the walk-in wardrobe and top boxes which are illuminated. Back out into the hallway, there's still more storage, which is in the airing cupboard. So there's a hot water cylinder in here, and when the flat is occupied and being lived in, that'll put out a little bit of warmth. So there's a bit of an opportunity to do some airing, place to keep the ironing boards, shoes, etc. So really useful, and once again with the top boxes. So finally, we'll take a look at the bathroom, contemporarily fitted out. We've got nice wall panels, slate grey wall panels to all the splash areas and elevations. We've got a chrome towel rail, WC pedestal wash hand basin, and then we have a bath in here which has an electric shower over and a glass shower screen. So the property is presented in a fantastic condition. It's generous, it's spacious, it's got lots of storage, it's well positioned in Maryport down by the harbour front and in a block of just 4 other apartments. I'll leave you just with a look again at that fitted kitchen from the living area. If you'd like to view this house, please get in touch with Hunters.